In the idyllic setting of São Miguel do Gostoso, amidst tall palm trees on the Brazilian Atlantic coast, emerges the Villa Sussurro, a project by Italian architect Davide Andracco. This contemporary residence balances low, white architecture with respect for the natural environment, making it ideal for an Italian-Brazilian family seeking elegant and comfortable living. The layout of the house is divided into 3 distinct sectors, both geometrically and functionally. This division is evident even from the outside, shaping its volume and formal aesthetics. The first sector, the heart of the residence, is the spacious living room with an open-concept kitchen and a 3.6-meter-high ceiling. The design features handmade iron frames, 2.5 meters in height, highlighting the house's aesthetic. Following the footsteps of minimalist elegance, the floors throughout the house are made of micro-cement, whose gray tone harmonizes with other neutral nuances that punctuate the spaces and emphasize light and spaciousness. A spacious balcony opens up to a garden with native flora, integrating the interior and exterior. The second volume houses the bathroom windows and technical facilities. This block, clad in local stone, alludes to Andracco's Mediterranean origins, creating an intriguing contrast. The third sector contains the suites. The sleeping area is positioned at a higher level for better exposure to sunlight and increased visibility beyond the boundary wall. The walls, with a thickness of 60 centimeters and a double layer, provide superior insulation and elegance. The Villa Sussurro is an explicit homage to Mediterranean inspirations, always meticulously considered by Davide Andracco. Thus, to celebrate his origins, the creative signed this white block with an interesting contrast of textures.